What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enable, disable, activate or deactivate the pop-up and site redirects into the Avast web browser, the secure web browser from the Avast antivirus. Okay, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on our site's favor. So imagine the following scenario. You use this browser, okay? We have tutorials explaining how to do this on Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, and any others browsers, but if you are using Avast, the process is quite different, but not hard. So please like this video so we can continue. So imagine the following scenario. You need to download something that is important for you, and this downloads or this new tab appears into a new tab, so it's a pop-up. And by default, all web browsers today block pop-ups. How to avoid this? First thing, on Avast, review the upper right corner of your screen. There are three little dots next or right under the X icon to close the tab, okay? So click on it and scroll it down until you find the settings tab, okay? Click on it. You're gonna open this dashboard of all the settings on this web browser, but review the left sidebar of menus. There is Avast, my subscription, autofill and passwords, privacy and security, okay? Click on it. After this, you're gonna see this option, okay? We're gonna move to site settings, okay? In privacy and security, next to VPN settings, we're gonna move to site settings. And right here, we can see permissions. We have locations, camera, microphone, notifications, embedded content, cookies, site privacy, JavaScript, image, pop-ups, and redirects. And here is the guide that we're looking for. Click on it. Now, we can see the default behavior. Sites automatically follow these settings when you visit them. Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Up to you. Don't allow sites to send pop-ups and use redirects. Imagine the following scenario now, okay? You will not allow pop-ups and site redirects for all of the sites except growth.net. So go to the site that would like to allow pop-ups and redirects, copy the URL, click with the right button of your mouse, click on copy, move back to the settings, and right here, customized behavior. Site list is below, follow the custom site list below. Not allow to send pop-ups, allow it to send pop-ups. So click on add, enter the domain. We can remove the HTTPS, only the domain is enough. So now we will not allow any sites to send pop-ups and redirects, but we will allow growth.net to do it, okay? So it's an exception, okay? Now imagine the opposite scenario. You will allow all of the sites to set pop-ups, to send pop-ups and use redirects, except, so you will not allow this site right here to do the behavior, okay? So this is an exception for this settings case, okay? So this is up to you. You can move this, okay? There is three little dots right here. You can click to allow, edit, or remove. I can allow, I can block, I can edit or remove, okay? Simple, easy, and very effective, and it is quite useful in a lot of cases, especially if you need to download something, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our growth.net, a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, or sites.gallery, that is a place where we can submit your app, your game, your website, or landing page to get promoted and be awarded. And in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click for every single business style. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best.